Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're learning how to enter coordinates on Google Maps in just a few easy steps. First, open the Google Maps app or go to the website. You'll see a search bar at the top. Next, find the coordinates. They're typically in latitude and longitude format. For example, 37.7749 minus 122.4194. Copy the coordinates. Simply highlight them and select Copy, or remember them for the next step. Go back to Google Maps and paste the coordinates into the search bar. Hit Enter or the search icon. Voila! Google Maps will pinpoint the location on the map, ready for you to explore. For better accuracy, ensure the coordinates are formatted correctly. Decimal degrees work best. Try zooming in on the area once the location is pinpointed to explore nearby attractions. You can switch from map view to satellite view to get a better sense of the area's geography. Don't forget to save your favorite locations. Bookmark them for easy access later. So, whether you're a traveler or just exploring your city, using coordinates can enhance your experience. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and uncover new destinations like a pro.